Good morning, friends. Let's sing some hellos today. Hello to Zachary. Hello to the mama sharks. Hello to Ryan. We're glad to see you. Hello to Michaela. Hello to Avery. Hello to the mermaids. We're glad to see you. Hello to Michael and Nathaniel and the dinosaurs and Riley and Claudia and Eleanor. We're glad to see you. Hello to Alessio. Hello to Emma. Hello to Nathan and Olivia and Mary. We're glad to see you. Hello to the blue skies and the golden sun and the green trees and the birds. We're glad to see you. Hello to everything and everyone in the whole wide world. We're glad to see you. Good morning, everyone. It's good to see you today. Let's make a pattern to sing about the months of the year. I'm going to use a wink today. That's one eye closing. Wink. You can try either eye. Wink, wink, wink. Yeah, okay, so we're going to do head, clap, wink. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Can we do it faster with a wink? Let's give it a try. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Super speed. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. All right, let's spell the month. Does anyone remember what month we're in? It's April. A-P-R-I-L. April. Let's make the sounds. A says A. A says A. Every letter makes a sound. A says A. It makes another sound too. Not in this word, but sometimes it makes the sound ah, like apples and alligator. Next letter, P. P says P. P says P. Every letter makes a sound. P says P. R. R says R. R says R. Every letter makes a sound. R says R. And here's I. In this word, it makes the sound I. April. I. I. I says I. I says I. Every letter makes a sound. I says I. And L makes the L sound. And L makes the L sound. L says L. L says L. Every letter makes a sound. L says L. April. April. Okay, I have a new Days of the Week song today too. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. And on this Tuesday, I have my surprise egg here. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Let's take a look.
Birdie.
Wow, it is a green grassy hill, and that's a magnet, so I can stick that on my refrigerator. And I have 2 blackbirds, also magnets. I can stick them on my refrigerator. Well, look at this. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a hill. I know a song about that. Let's give it a try. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Again. 2 little blackbirds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. What a great song. Let's check back in our surprise egg and see what else was in there today. Here's my other cat, Gizmo. We met the orange one the other day. This is Gizmo, the gray one. Oh, there are more birds in here.
Red.
I have red birds. And we have orange birds. And blue birds. And purple birds.
That's a lot of birds.
That is a lot of birds. Now I can sing my song with all the colors of the rainbow. So let's move my blackbirds out. And let's see, let's start with my red birds. They're the first color on my rainbow pattern. Here we can match them up with the days of the week. You see how I'm matching the colors here? Uh-oh, I'm running out of room on my refrigerator. Here we go, they're all matched up. But now I can sing with my red birds. Let's get a little closer. Little red birds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Two little orange birds sitting on a hill. One named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Well, I could keep going with all the colors, but I notice there's this fantastic bird coloring sheet in the egg as well, and I'm going to share it with you all down in the comments so you can color your own birds at home. You can sing Two Little Birds, or you can sing something else. And I'm going to show everybody a trick how I made my birds magnetic. I just took any magnets I had in my house and I added them on the back. Some of these are, Trevor has like little animal magnets. So if you have that sort of magnets, or you might have little alphabet magnets in your house, you can just tape them. I just used regular tape right on the back. And now they stick. Or you could just leave them like paper and use them on the floor or on a table. It'll all work. Let's see what else is in the egg. There's one more thing in there. It's Little Blue Truck Springtime. What a great story. Oh, here's my other cat. Hi, Frankie. Good morning. They're both here. I have 2 cats. All right, let's read about Little Blue Truck in the Springtime. Written by Alice Schertle and illustrated by Jill McElmurray. And it's a Lift the Flap book. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a yoo-hoo sky blue spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? And I see some birds flying in that picture. Yoo-hoo sheep, beep beep, what's new? A little white lamb and a twin lamb too. Who's out swimming in a line? Lift the flap. Yoo-hoo duck and ducklings 9. Yoo-hoo goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? Yoo-hoo cow, just munching corn. Yoo-hoo little calf, just born. So we're seeing all the babies around the farmyard. All the new spring babies. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Yoo-hoo piglets, 1 to 10. Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 piglets.
And 1 mommy.
1 mommy pig.
Wow, piglet.
Ears in clover, that looks funny. Hippity hoppity, yoo-hoo bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. What's that nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Wait. Tap, tap, anybody home? Who's inside this smooth round dome? Hold on. I want to see. There's a hen with her egg. And there's the baby chick. Hold on, I can't read it. Crickety crack, everybody shout. Yoo-hoo chick, come on out. Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo. There's not a flap on this page. Yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by, birds that sing, frogs that leap, yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep. The end. And on the back, I know Little Blue Truck is a favorite in our house, and on the back you can see some other ones. I think we have all of these at our house. All right, friends, that's everything for today. Let's sing some goodbyes, and I'll see you real soon. Goodbye to the babies. Goodbye to the friends. Goodbye to the parents and the teachers. We love you. Goodbye to the dinosaurs and the mama sharks and the mermaids. And the blue sky, and the birds, and the butterflies, and all of the flowers. We love you. Goodbye to everyone, and everything, and the whole wide world. We love you. Goodbye, friends. See you soon.